Hello aspirants, welcome to Mega Mentors. As per your demand, today I'll be solving question paper of JDA which was conducted by MPSC on 12th April 2025. So I'll be doing the arithmetic and aptitude part. So let us begin with the first question, that is question number 101. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 6 meter more than its width is 42. So perimeter is given as 42 meter. But it is half of the perimeter, okay, half of the perimeter of rectangle. So if perimeter is given as how much, 42 meter, right, the given things first, then what is the formula of perimeter? It is, you should remember, perimeter of rectangle, okay, you should star mark this one. Perimeter of a rectangle is given as twice length plus breadth, okay, this will be the perimeter of a rectangle. But as per the question, of a rectangle garden whose length is 6 meter. So if the length is 6 meter more than its width, so what you will do? B plus 6. Length is 6 meter, width is breadth, okay, breadth 6 meter more than its breadth, so B plus 6 you should do. You got the length, you got the formula of perimeter. Now let us see the question. Half the perimeter of rectangle garden whose length is 6 meter more than its length. So we need to find the length, okay, we need to find, but length is B plus 6, okay, don't be confused with this. To get this length, what we need to find? We need to find the breadth. So how we'll do? According to question, according to the question, this perimeter is half. This perimeter is half, okay, half. Can you see? It is written perimeter, half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden. So it is half. Half means divided by 2, right? So now let us just put the values to our L is how much? B plus 6. Okay, B plus 6, then plus B divided by 2, and our perimeter how much? P is given as 42. Okay, so let us cancel this 2 and 2. Our remaining will be how much? B plus okay, you can just do like this. B plus B will be 2B. 2B plus 6 equal to 42, right? Let me zoom out a little bit. 2B. Then what you can do is this one, 2B equal to 42 minus, bring that 6 to the other side, will be minus 6. Then you should get B. 2B equal to 42 minus 6, 36. So B will be how much? 36 by 2. When you cancel, you get the value of B, which is 18. Okay, B is 18. So once we get B, we can find what is the length, because our length is what? L is equal to B plus 6, right? B plus 6. It's B plus 6. So when you do L is equal to B is 18 plus 6, we'll get L is equal to 24. Okay, 24 meter. So the first option for the first question, option number B will be the correct answer to this, 24. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Then next question is 102. The sum of the ages of a man and his son is 55 years. So it is the age question of age problem. 3 years ago, the product of their ages was 3 times the man's age at that time. What are their present age? So let us write, let the present age of this one, man, okay, man and son of man be M. We'll denote it with M, okay, and son's age be son's be S. Clear? We'll denote like this. Now let us write the sum of the ages of man and his son is 55 years. So according to question, what is given is according to question, it is given like this. Men, sum of their ages, so man plus son is how much? 55. Okay, so we can write this one as S equal to 55 minus M. Okay, this will be our equation 1. Clear? Now let us repeat now. 3 years ago, the product of their ages was 3. Now 3 years ago, this is the present age. M and S are the present age. 3 years ago will be, what will be the age of man? M minus 3. What will be the age of son? S minus 3, right? 3 years ago. So this would be 3 years ago. Okay, I'll just mention it. 3 years ago. These are the ages 3 years ago. Now let's read again. The product of the ages was 3 times the man's age at the, so product of this 2. So we can make equation now. M minus 3 into S minus 3 is equal to product of the ages. Can you see man's age and son's age 3 years ago? The product of the ages was 3 times the man's age at that time. What was the age of the man? 3m, right? It is 3m. 3 years, they're talking about 3 years, okay? So it will be 3m minus 3. 3m minus 3. Clear? Now see, this will be a long part, right? This will be a long part. So to reduce this one, what we'll do? We can do is just put this value of son, s equal to 55 minus m, because we need at least one of the value, either of son or of men, to solve this equation. So what we'll do, we'll put the this s is equal to 55 by minus m in this equation. Okay, so let us see. Right, m minus 3, our s is 55 minus, don't be confused, okay, this is s, okay, this is s and this is 55 minus 3, and 55 minus m, this will be 55 minus m minus 3 equal to 3m minus 3. Clear? I hope this is clear. Now what we can do is we need to remove this minus 3. See, can you see both sides we have minus 3, the left hand side also, and so what we'll do, divide both sides by minus 3. Divide both sides by m minus 3. So if you divide both sides by m minus 3, what will get? So you can get like this, what we will get is it will be m minus 3, then 55. See, 55 minus 3 will be how much? 55 minus 3 will be 52 minus m equal to 3m minus 3. It's multiplied, okay, it is multiplied, so you could write like this, 3 times of man's age. So you can do divide by m minus 3, because we are dividing both sides. Both sides it has m minus 3, so you can divide. Why? Because we'll get the, we can cancel this one, right? We can cancel this one. I hope you're getting this point. So let us see now. 52, what is remaining? Minus m is equal to 3, only 3. So m will be how much? Minus m will be equal to 3. Bring this 52 to the other side, will be minus 52. So you can write this, see, this will be minus m is equal to minus of 49. So cancel minus minus. We got the age of the man. M is equal to 49. Clear? This will be the age of man. That is 49. Now let us find the age of sons. Can you see s is equal to 55 minus m? So let us find s is equal to 55 minus, in equation 1, putting this value of man in equation 1. Okay, so how much? It is 49. So when you get s will be equal to how much? 55 minus 1 is 6 years. So are getting my point? Men's age will be 49 and sons will be 6 years. So the answer will be option number C. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let's see next question. The next question says, let me just do it like this. Okay, 103. The area of the circle is numerically equal to the circumference of the circle. So you should know what is the area of a circle. Area of a circle is pi. Let me take a brighter pen. Okay, let me make it a bit bigger. Okay, so what is the area of a circle? Area of a circle is pi r square, and this is written as what? This is the area of a circle is numerically equal to the twice the circumference of the circle. Twice the circumference of the, you should know what is the circumference of the circle is twice pi r. But according to question, this is this area of circle is equal to twice the circumference of a circle. Okay, so now what we should do is just solve it. You'll get pi r square is equal to 4 pi r. Multiply, you get, now see, this r cancels with 1 r, this pi cancels with pi, so you'll get r is how much? 4. But one we need to find is find the diameter of the circle. So you should remember diameter is what? Twice r. Okay, diameter of a circle is 2r. So if I will show you, this is a circle. Can you see? This is the diameter. Okay, AB is a diameter. So this half, if we talk about half from here to here, this will be 1 radius. Here to here will be 1 radius. So r plus r will be how much? 2r. So d will be equal to 2r. Value of r is 4, so it will be 8. So answer will be how much? 8 units. 103 is 8 units. Okay. So let us see next. That is 104. The difference between the circumference and the diameter of a circle, again same. See, diameter of a circle is how much? 2r. What is circumference of a circle is what? Circumference is 2 pi r. I've told you this. The difference between these two means 2 pi r. Difference means subtraction. Okay, minus 2r. We get some value. It is what? And the diameter of the circle is 210. So what you need to find is find the radius of the circle. Just solve this one. Can you see this? 2 r are common, so you can do 2r pi minus 1. Okay, equal to 210. When you multiply 2r into pi, you get 2 pi r. 2r into 1, you get 2r. So we can write this one. So what you can do is you can cut 2 ones are 2, 2105. Like I said, numerator can be cancelled. So right, you can either if the numbers could be divided in the left hand side and right hand side, you can do it. Okay, but it should be in the numerator or in the denominator. But if you cannot cancel if it is the numerator and denominator. Okay, that will be multiplied. So here this you can write it as r. Value of pi is how much? 22 by 7 minus 1 equal 105. Clear? So what you can do is, let me write it clearly. R. This is r. Okay, r radius. This is r 22 minus 1. So you can do r. See, 7 ones are 7. Minus with 22 will get 15 by 7 equal to 105. Clear? Now you just do the cancellation. See, it will be r into 15 will be 15r by 7 equal to 105. Again, see, this r in numerators, you can cancel 15 1, 15 into 7. You get the value of r. Multiply the 7. Now see, this is numerator, is the you cannot cancel if there's equal in between. Okay, so 7 will be multiplied. You will get 49 centimeter. So answer will be 49 centimeter for 104. See, this video will be a bit long. I want you to watch it till the end, okay, to get all the answers and the method of solving. This will be the detailed solution. Okay, this will be the detailed solution of the question. Okay, so I hope you will like the video and try to enjoy. If it's not an entertainment video, but try to enjoy. Okay, so let's see. 105. The simple interest on rupees 6200 at 10% per annum for 73 days. Now you should remember. So what is simple interest? The formula is P principal into rate of interest into time by 100. Right, now what is given? You should write principal is given how much? Rupees 6200. It is given. Okay, now what is given? Rate of interest is how much? 10%. Clear? But here one thing is given, that is time. Time is how much? 73 days. Always remember this thing. This is in days, not years. So we cannot put directly in this formula. Okay, we cannot put this directly in this formula. Why? Because the time given is in days. So what we need to do? The simple interest counted in annual, right? Annual, that means in 1 year. So this 73 we should convert it into year. So how we'll do? We'll do 73 in a year. How many days we have? 365. So once you do this, you'll get you get time in years. Okay, so when you cancel this one, 73 1 is 73. 73 into 5 is 360. So you get 1 by 5 years. I hope this is clear. You'll get 1 by 5 years. Now just put in the formula. So SI will be equal to, our principal is 6200 into rate of interest is 10 into 1 by 5 years, our time, divide by 100. So you can cancel this to 5152. Remaining will be how much? SI will be 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 6 is 12. So it will be 124 rupees. 124. Okay, I hope this is clear. Just the cancellation, but you should remember, if it is given 73 days, you convert into okay, so option number C will be the correct answer. Let's see next question. It says, in an examination, 88% of the candidates passed and 60 failed. How many candidates appeared for the examination? So let the appeared be X. Okay, let the appeared be X. Okay, clear? Now what we should do in an examination? 80. Remember, our total percent is how much? 100%. Out of this 100%, 88% pass. So fail will be how much? This will be pass. Fail will be how much? Minus 100 into 88 will get how much? You should get 12% as fail. Right? And according to question, 60 failed. So what you should do? You should do 12% of x is equal to 60 to get the answer. 12% of total number equal to failed. Okay, so you should get the answer 12 by 100 into x equal to 60. You cancel 12 1, 12 5. Okay, I'm doing it directly. Okay, x equal to, bring this 100 to the other side, will be 5 into 100. So answer will be x equal to 500. So how many total students appeared? 500. Okay, option number C will be the correct answer. Let's go to next. That is question number 106. Okay, so 106. It says it is 107. I think we did up to 106, right? Let me check again. We completed 106. Okay, so let us see 107 now. So this is question number 107. It says what? The area of 4 walls of a room is 144 square meter. Remember, when they are talking about area of 4 walls, you should use one formula. Okay, area of 4 walls, you should use this formula, is equal to twice length plus breadth into height. Okay, into height. You should use this formula, remember. Okay, now this is given is how much? Area of a wall is 144. It is already given area of 4 is 44. Put in this formula, twice length plus breadth into height. Okay, now let's see. If the length of the room is twice its breadth, also given, L is given as twice its breadth, and the height is how much? Height is given as 2 meter. Okay, height is given as 2 meter. So what we need to find? Then the area of the floor. Area of the floor, we need to find area of a floor. And always remember, this will be equal to length into breadth. We need to find this. Okay, length into breadth will be how much? So let us see. To find this, we need at least length and breadth, because length is twice breadth. We cannot put here L equal to 2b into b, right? So we should find the length and breadth first. So how we'll find? We'll use this formula. Okay, let us put all these values in equation 1. Okay, so what we can do is 144 is equal to 2. Our L is how much? 2b plus b we don't know, so we'll write it as b into h. H is 2. Okay, so now what you can do is 144 is equal to, see this 2b, this will be 2, then this 2b plus b will be how much? 3b into 2. So you can cancel, see, 2 1 and 2 72. Again you can cancel this one, 2 1 2 36. So it will get 36 equal to 3b. So you'll get b from here, 36 by 3. You'll get how much? 3 into 12 is 36. So our b is how much? Our b is 12. Now put in the, to find the length, to find L is 2b. Yes or no? So this will be 2 into 12. So our L be how much? L will be equal to 24. So we got our b as 12, length as 24. Use to find the area of wall. What we need to do? Area of floor is length into breadth. I told you length into breadth, right? So put in this one. Our length is 24. Our breadth is 12. When you multiply this one, you should get answer as 288. Okay, 288 square meter. Okay, 288 meter square. I hope this is clear. Let's go to next question. That is question number 109. Okay, let's go 109. Let us see question number 109. On dividing a number by 357, we get 39 as the remainder. So what you should do in this type of question is to add the remainder with this one, remainder and the given number. Okay, I'm just doing it directly. 7 9 16 5 3 8 9 plus 3 399. And what will be the remainder when the same number is divided by 17? So same number, if divide by 17, you'll get the answer. 17 2 is 34. You minus this one, you'll get 5 6. 17 into 3 is 51. So what will be the remainder here? 5. So our answer will be 5. Okay, should do like this. Let's go to next question. That is 110. 110. See, a total of 50 questions are there, so it will take some time. Okay, 110. How many diagonals a regular hexagon passes through its center? So you should know what is a hexagon. Hexagon has how many sides? 6 sides. Okay, and how many vertices? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total of 6 vertices. So it will pass like this: 1 2 3. So how many diagonal can you see passing through the center? Well, only 3. Okay, so the answer would be 3. I did not draw it nicely, but you should understand. Okay, This is how a hexagon look like. Let's see. 111. A bit tricky question, but let's do like this. A total of 324 coins of 20 paise and 25 paise make a sum of rupees 71. The number of 25. So we need to find how many. Total is how much? 324. Okay. And out of this, 20 paise coin and 25 paise coins are there. If you add all this, you'll get 324. So, but actually the sum, when you add this 20 paise and 25 paise, you should get 71. So how to do? Let us do. Suppose if 20 paise, we'll take it as x, okay? And then what will be the remaining? If we take 20 paise value as x, so what we'll get is 324. 25 paise will be how much? You should minus this x. When you minus this out of total 324, the value of 20 paise, that is x, you'll get 25 paise, right? So now what you can do is, see, this is given in rupees, so we should convert this one in rupees. You can do x into, see, this is total number now into 20 paise. Okay, here also this into how much? 25 paise. Now convert this one into rupees. So when you convert this one into rupees, it will be divided by 100, because 1 rupees is equal to how much? 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Okay, you should remember 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So these are given in paise, so you divide by 100, you'll get rupees. Okay, now they are saying sum of this thing. So sum of this value and this value. Sum means what? Sum means the addition of these two, right? So this value plus this value will give how much? So let us do x into 20 by 100 plus 324 minus x by 100 into 25. When you add this two, you'll get 71. Okay, clear? If you would not want to give 100 in the denominator, if you want to convert this whole thing in rupees, this will be also, then you should convert the 71 rupees into paise. Then how you do 71 into 100? It will be 71,000. Okay, so 7100. So let us see. Now to solve this one, we'll do cancel this 0 0 to 1 to 5, right? You'll get x by 5 plus, you cancel 25 1, 25 4. So you'll get, see, when this will, you'll be getting 324 minus x by 4 equal to 71, right? It is up to you how you will solve. How I'll solve is, now this one I can write it as x by 5. So divide this one plus 4 into how much is 324? 4 into 81. Okay, 4 into 81 is 4 into 81 is 324, and 4 into x will be x by 4, because x is remaining, right? Minus x remains, so minus x by 4 will remain, divided by 71. If you want to do longer, you can do it. Okay, so you separate 324 by 4 equal minus x by 4, you'll get this one only. Now you should do x by 5, so minus x by 4 equal 71. Bring this plus 81 to the other side, it will be minus 81, right? You can bring this to the other side, this will become like this. Now take the LCM. If you want to take 5 into 4 will be how much? 20, right? This will be 20. Then this will be 4x minus 5x equal to, should know all this, okay? Basic maths. 71 minus this will be minus 10. So this will be minus 10. I hope this is clear. Now you will get how much is one? 4x minus 5x will be minus x equal to 20 will go other side. 20 into 10 will be how much? 200. So the value of x will be how much? 200. Okay. So 200. The value of x is 200. That means our x was which one? Our x was 20 paise, right? If 20 paise coin is how much? 200. So we got x is equal to 200. That's the value of 20 paise. But out of total, we need the coin of 25 paise. You remember, right? In the beginning, I said 20 paise to be x, 25 as 324 minus x, right? So we got the value of x as 200. So what will be the total? So you should minus 324 minus x. You'll get how much this will be? 25 paise coins. Okay, so 25 paise coins. So 324 minus x is 200. This will be how much? 324 minus 1 will be 124. Will be our 124 will be the coins of 25 paise. Okay, so our answer will be option number C. I hope this is clear. Let's go to next. That will be question number 112. Okay, so let us see question number 112. 112. Ramu's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Ramu's age. What is Ramu's age if his father is 44 years old? So let's see, let the age of father, Ramu's father, okay? Ramu's father. We have Ramu's father and Ramu, okay? Ramu. Let's consider like this. Ramu's father is RF, R is Ramu, okay? Then let us see. If his father is 44 years old, given is 44. You already know this one. 44 years old is Ramu's father. So if we take Ramu's father as, and this one as R only, because the sons we are taking as R. Ramu's age will be R, okay? The present age. Now let's see. Ramu's age is 5 years more than 3 times. 5 years more than 3 times Ramu's age. Ramu's father's age is 5 years more than. So let us make one equation. Ramu's father age is, it is saying 5 years more than 3 times Ramu's age plus 5. Why? Because Ramu's age, you see, it is R, right? 3 times of R plus 5 more, 5 years more. Now we got the equation. So Ramu's father is how much? 44 equal to 3R plus 5. Now 44, you bring this minus to the other side, it will be like this, 3R, right? You minus, you will get 39 equal to 3R. You get the value of R. Ramu's age you will get from here, 39 by 3 should get 13. So what will be the age of Ramu's? Ramu's age is 13. Can you see? Ramu's father say, what is the Ramu's age? So Ramu's age will be how much? 13 years, okay? I hope this is clear. Let's go to next. That's question number 113. 113. The value of something is given. So let me come down. We are doing 113. Okay. The value of, see, it should do like this. 1 by 6 minus 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 3 divided by 1 by 3 minus 2. See, I'll do it directly, okay? Minus 2. So 1 by 6, it can be written as 6 to the power 2, okay? So you can write this one directly, 6 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power minus 3, okay, the 3 to the power 3 will be directly 3, okay? Not minus 3, 3 to the power 3. This in one bracket, and this one 3 to the power 2. So 6 will be how much? 36 minus 27. So divide. Now when you convert this divide into multiplication, you should reciprocal of this, okay? 3 square. So you get 9 into 1 by 9. Cancel this one, you get answer as 1, okay? So the answer will be 1. For option, question number 113 will be option number D. I hope this is clear. Let's go next. 114. 114 is pure maths. So let's see. 0.75 multiplied by 2x minus 5 equals 0.25. You can use distributive method for this one, but I'll do it directly. Okay, 0.75, you should multiply this whole. If you are confused, let me just do it. You can do like this. First you write 0.75 multiply this one 2x, then again minus is there, so minus 0.75 into 5. Do same in the right hand side. You get 0.25 into 5x minus 0.25 into 3. Just distribute, okay? Distribute. Now multiply this one. You should get 0.75 into 2x will be 1.5x minus 0.75. You will get 5 is 25. Carry 2, 5 7 35. That's one. You should get 3.75. Okay, 3.75. When you solve this, you're getting this one. Okay, don't be confused. Equal 0.25 into 5 should get 1.25 of x equal to 0.25 into 3s minus, sorry, not equal to, this should be minus, okay? This should be minus 0.75, okay? So now bring x to the one side and constant number to the other side. The variable one, okay, this will be 1.25x equal to this minus 0.75. This is minus 3.75 will go here and become plus 3.75. Now solve. See, 1.5x minus 1.25x. The remaining will be how much? 0.5x. simple subtraction, you can do it. Then minus plus will be minus 0.75 by 3.75. You'll get how much? If you subtract 0.75 on 3.75, you get 3 only. Okay, so you should get x equal to 3 by 0.5. Bring that to the other side. When you solve this one, you get how much? If you are confused how to solve, you should do 3 by 1 by this 0.5 can be 5 by 10. Then you can do 3 by 1, convert this division, then it will be just convert this decimal into division into multiplication, then this will change into multiplication, then the numbers will be become reciprocal of each other. Okay, so 5. So when you do this, you'll get 30 by 5, which is equal to how much? 6. So the answer will be, sorry, I made mistake somewhere. If 3.75 minus will be 3 and 1.5 at 0. Sorry, this will be 0.25. Okay, 1.5 and this should be 0.25. I'm so sorry, I've made a mistake here. This will be 0.25. When you minus 1.5 with 1.25, we'll get remaining as 0.25. Okay, 0.25x. So this 0.25 will come here. You can write this one as 3 by 1 by 25 by 100. Why 100? Because this point, right? Point after decimal, 2 numbers, so you should divide by 100. Okay, so you can write this one as x equal to 3 by 1, change into division, 100 by 25. So we cancel 25 into 4. 3 into 4 will be how much? X will be equal to 12. So the answer will be option number A. Let's go next. 115. A tree is broken at a height. A tree is broken. Let me just clear. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground, and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. The original height of the tree. Okay, suppose if this is a tree. Okay, this is a tree. This is broken from here. This is long. Okay, it's long. Just let me draw the imaginary line. This is long. Okay, this is like this, but it is broken from here. From here it is broken, and it touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters. This is 5 meter height, and this 12 meter. So just what we can do is you can make one line which will be make a right angle. Okay, so when it is the right angle, if you find this one, what we can do is the original height of the tree, we need to find this level, right? To find this level, what we can do is find this one. Okay, x, the value of x, a broken tree, and touches the ground at a distance of from the height of the original height of tree. So once we find this one, because it is broken and fallen like this, right? So we'll get the answer. Okay, so let us see. To use this one, you should use Pythagoras theorem that says what? Hypotenuse. If this is h, okay, remember this h square. This longer part is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus this 12 is base square. Okay, so understand this is our b, this is our h. Sorry, this will be our perpendicular. Okay, don't be confused with the height. Height I'll write small h. Okay, this will be our perpendicular. This will be our h. This will be hypotenuse. So see the given thing h square, we don't know what is given. P square is already given. P square plus 12 square. Clear? 12 b is 12 square. So h square will be how much? H square will be 25 plus 144. So what you can do is h square will be equal to 169. To get h, what you will do? H will be equal to root over 169. So what will be the root of 169? It will be 13. Okay, so we got h. H how much? We got this one as x as 13. Okay, we got 13. Clear? So 13. See, now we can find the total height. First the height was 15. Therefore total height will be how much? Total height will be, first height was how much? Our height was 5 meter. When it broke and fall down, we get 13 meter the other height. So when you add this one, total of 18 meter. Okay, the answer will be 18 meter. Hope that's clear. Just you should know the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, let's see now. 116. The standard form of the number 0.000 0.035s. Standard form, always use 10 to the power something. So since this is see, the smallest number 0.0000, it should come in negative always. So how you do, you start counting after decimal point 1 2 3 and stop where the actual number is coming after 0. Okay, so this 5. So you should know it should be 10 into to the power minus 5. Suppose one more thing is given, say one more 0, then it should be minus 6. One more 0, then minus 7. Okay, like that. So you should count 1 2 3 4 5. Stop. The power will be to the power 5. Okay, then you should remember it should be multiplied by 10 always. Now this 35 is remaining, you write 35, but you should get point in between because decimal is there. Okay, so this will be the standard form. This will be the standard form. Actually we can write this one as 35 into 10 to the power minus 6, but there is no answer as 35 to the power 10 to the power minus 6. So our actual answer will be 3.5 to the power minus 5. Okay, this will be our correct answer. Let's see next. 117. An electric pole 12 meter high casts a shadow of 10 meter. So let's draw an electric pole 12 meter high. That's 12 meter high, cast shadow of 10 meter. Okay, so we always take this one as hypotenuse. Okay, we should imagine like this, that it is this is a pole, so it is casting a shadow, right? It will cast a shadow like this in the base, right? Base will be 10 meter, height will be 12 meter. Clear? But we should take an extra line which would be called as hypotenuse, okay, to make it a right angle. So let's see, find the height of the tree that casts a shadow of 50 meter under similar condition. There's one more, okay, one more. It is casting how much? A shadow of 15 meter. Okay, under similar condition, same condition in this one, so we'll get same one, right? But we don't know the height. So since these are two similar triangles, okay, what we can do is you can make a ratio of this. You should write like this: 12 by 10 equal, those two are equal, right? So you can get x by 15. Now start with the cancellation to get the answer. Start with the cancellation or multiplication. You get 12 into 15 equal to 10x. Just use directly. I'm just doing it directly, okay? Just solving the paper. So we'll get 12 into 15 by 10 equal to x. Cancel this one. 5 2 5 3 2 1 2 6. 6 into 3 will be how much? X will be equal to 18 meter. So answer will be option number C for 117. Let's go 118. I'll do a bit fast, okay? Let's go number 118. Okay, so question number 118 says if 20 workers can build a wall in 54 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 25? So it's same. So like I said, men into days equal men 1 into men 2 into day 2. So you should use formula m1 into day 1 equal to this men into days, okay, m2 into day 2. So what is given? 20 workers, 20 men is given. Days, how many days they are taking? 54 hours. That is same, okay? 54 hours is same. How many workers will be required to do the same work? So we don't know m2 in 27 hours. Days is 27. So you do see cancel 27 1, 27 2. You got the answer 40 equal to m2. So how many men you need? 40 men. Okay. Let's go next. 119. Let's do question number 119. Okay, 119. It says, at what percent per annum simple interest will sum double itself in 12 years? So to do this one, remember we have done in our previous questions also. You should know sum is double itself. That means what? It can be written as okay, simple interest. You should remember one formula. Simple interest is amount minus principal. Okay, amount minus principal, but in this case amount is given as double of principal, so you should write 2p. Okay, so we know SI equal to A is how much? 2p minus p. Since it is double, that is why we are doubling the amount, as we can write it as 2p. Okay, so SI will be how much? 2p minus p will be p, but the given amount is how much? How much it is given? We need to find the rate of interest. Okay, so let us use the formula. Now you know the formula of SI, that's P into R into T by 100 equal to P, right? Because this P is there, she should write. Now the year is given only 12 years, and because we need to find R, so let us cancel this P and P. We'll get R into T is how much? 12 by 100 equal 1. P1 is a P, right? So you should do like this now. when you cross multiply, you'll get, okay, cancel this one. 2 4 3s are 12, 4 into 25 is 100. So you're getting 3r equal to 25 into 1 will be 25. So r will be how much? R will be 25 by 3. When you cancel this one, 3 8s are 24, so you're getting around 8 point something. So I can see answer starting from 8 is 8.3 in option number C. Okay, so let us go next. 120. Let's see question number 120. What sum will amount to 3525? So amount is already given now. Amount is 3525, okay, rupees at 5% per annum. 5% rate of interest is how much? 5%. Simple interest in 5 years. So we need to find a simple interest in 5 years. We don't know the principal, right? So we need to find this. Okay, so how we can do? Just now I've told you simple interest is amount minus principal. So we can write this one as amount is equal to, bring to the other side, this will be simple interest plus principal, right? You can remember this formula. Okay, a very important formula. So if you need to find the amount, you should do simple interest plus principal. If you need to find a simple interest, you should do amount minus principal. Okay, so let us do now. Let us use this formula. Amount is equal to simple interest plus P. So what else is given? Rate of interest R. Time is also given here, 5 years. Okay, 5 years. So let us see. Now put in this one amount, how much given? 3525. Simple interest formula, P into R into T by 100 plus P, right? So you can write this one 3525 equal P, we don't know because we need to find that R, we know it is 5, T we know it is 5 by 100 plus P. Now cancel this 525 4. Are we getting like this? 3525 is equal to P by 4 plus P, right? Now once we get this one, what we can do is 3525 is equal to 4 into P will be 4P plus P will be 5P by 4. Very common. Okay, now cancel this one. 5 ones are 5. 5705. Now multiply P will be how much? P will be equal to 705 into 4. You get the answer as 4 5 is 20, carry 2, 2, 4, 7, 28, 2820 rupees. Okay, 2820. Option number C will be the correct answer. Let's go to next 121. I hope you are getting my explanation. It's just, I'll do this type of questions again when we'll do the chapter wise, right? I've already completed ratio and proportion, percentage, profit and loss, number system. So next we'll be doing with time and work, compound interest, simple interest. All that time you'll know the basic logic, okay, how to do, basic formulas. So let's see 121. A number when multiplied by 4 increases by 54. So let the number be x. Okay, let the number be x. It is multiplied by 4. It will increase by how much? Equal 54 plus x. It is just like this. Okay, so x into 4x will be 4x equal to 54 minus plus x. Bring x to the other side, you get 4x minus x equal to 54. 4x minus x will be how much? 3x equal to 54. X will be how much? X will be equal to 54 by 3 be 18. So x will be how much? 18. Okay, getting my point. Let's go to next. That is 122. 122. The length of a rectangle is 3 times its width. So let's given L is equal to 3 times its breadth. Clear? And its perimeter. Perimeter is how much? Perimeter is 96 meter. That's given already. The length of a rectangle, again we have to find. So very easy, you know formula of perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is what? Perimeter of a rectangle is twice length plus breadth. Okay, twice length plus breadth. So maybe for MPSC it is their favorite question, giving perimeter always. Okay, so let's see. Perimeter in the question is already given 96. 2, our length is how much? 3b plus b. Just put the values to get the answer. 96 equal to 2 into 3b plus b will be how much? 4b. So cancel now. 2 into how much? 2 into 48, right? So you get 48 equal to 4b. You can again cancel for 1, 4, 12. So we got the answer B is equal to 12 meter. So answer will be 12 meter. 122 will be at 12 meter. Okay, let's look next. 123. So 123. The area of a square is equal to the area of a circle. Again, it's same. What is the ratio between? Okay, they need to find the ratio in the side of a square and the radius of the circle. So remember, okay, this type of question is a bit tricky. So you should remember you should find the ratio of side of the square, not square, area of the square, side of the square and the radius of the circle. So what you should know is, so area of a circle, area of a square is how much? Area of square is side square, right? Side square. And what about the area of a circle? Area of circle is pi r square. But what they want the ratio of is side, s only, s and ratio and radius of the circle. Okay, so what we can do is let us do this are equal. They said is equal to, so side square is equal to area of circle pi r square. Let us square both side again. Squaring, we root both side. Okay, taking square root on both sides. Okay, both sides. So what we can do is we'll get root over x square equal to root over pi r square, right? See, now we'll get the side because square is gone, so we got the side is equal to, see, r square and this root is gone, r to the power pi. We're getting like this, right? So what we can do is bring this s is here, bring this r down there, because we got side of a square and radius of a circle is equal to how much? Pi. If nothing is there, you can write it as 1. So root pi 1. So s, what will be the value? S is to r will be root pi is to 1. So answer will be root pi is to 1. I hope this is clear for question 1 to 3, and so answer will be option number A. Let's go next. The 124. The radius of a circle whose area is very easy. Radius of a circle is how much? We need to find. We don't know. So area of a circle, how much area is given as 616 meters square. So let us put, we know area of a circle is how much? Area of a circle is pi r square. So we know area of it's already given. See, 616 equal to pi r square. So 616 equal to r, pi will be how much? 2 by 7 into r square. Start with the cancellation. You can start with 2, 11 or directly with 22 or so. It's up to you. I'll do, see, number 10, 11, 2, 11, 5, 11, 6, 2, 1, 2, 28. So our 28 into 7 will be equal to r square. 28 into 7, you can write it as 7 into 856, carry 5, 7 to 40, 91, 96 equal to r square. To find r, you need to square root of 196. What is the square root of 196? It is 14. Okay, so answer will be option number B. Let's go 125. Question number 125. Okay, 125. The length and the breadth of the rectangle park are in the ratio. So it is given LB in the ratio of 3 and 4. Okay, so if nothing is there, you can put X. And its perimeter. So perimeter is how much? Perimeter is 56. Already given. Again, see, I told you, MPSC maybe it's fond of length and breadth and perimeter. Okay, so let's see, we know formula of perimeter is how much? Perimeter is perimeter of rectangle. Okay, it is twice length plus breadth. Clear? So put the values. P is already given, it is 56. Put the values. 56 equal to 2, length is 3x plus breadth is 4x. Clear? You cancel to 1 to 28, you'll get 28 equal to 4x plus 3x will be how much? 7x. We get the value of x as 7174. You get 4. Okay, cancel like this. You getting x equal to 4. Now with this we can find the length and breadth. See how we can find L is 3x. Therefore our length will be 3x, which implies what? 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. So what do we need to find? Area of park. Okay, so we need to find area of a park. Area of a rectangle is how much? Length into breadth we need to find. Okay, and what about B? B breadth will be how much? 4x. That means 4 into 4, which will be equal to 16. Now therefore area will be how much? Length into breadth, which is equal to 12 into 16. 16 into 2 is 12. So just solve this one. You get how much? 12 into 16. Okay, multiply. Okay, you get 160 and 32, 192. So the answer will be 192 meters square. I hope you're getting the points. You can solve like this, okay? Simple way. Okay, let's go next. 126. We are halfway done in 1 hour, okay? So let's see. The area of a square is 50 centimeter square. So area of a square, how much? 50. And the length of its diagonal, length of its, we need to find length of the diagonal. So you should remember one formula. Diagonal of a square, okay? Diagonal of a square is side root 2, okay? Side into root 2. Clear? So what you can do here is, our side is how much? Area of a square is 50. So how you will get side from area of square? To get this area of square, this is the formula I've written, okay? This is the formula. So we need to find the side of the area of a square. Let me do. So if s square is 50, see, s square is 50. So how we can get this one? S square is 50. So we can again square root s square equal to 50, right? Square root, to put root on the both side, see, just gets cancelled. So s will be equal to root 50, right? Now see, s equal to root 2. This is the formula, right? This is the formula. So let me just clean it up. S equal to how much? S root 50. Put in this formula. Now diagonal will be how much? As our root 50 into root 2, right? So this will come around how much? D is equal to D is equal to how much? It should come root over 100. 50 into 2 is how much? 100. So root 100 is how much? It will be, you know, root 100 is, what is the square root of 100? Yes, 10, okay? 10 centimeter. So we're getting the answer 10 from 126. The answer will be option number D, okay? Let's go next. You should remember this formula, s equal to root 2. Let's go next. Next, 127, right? 127, okay. 127. What would the value of 481 to the power minus 2? Okay, how you should do this one? Remember, okay, this 4 square root of 4, okay, not square root of 4, it is 4 square root, okay, not 4 square. You can say 81 to the power minus 2 over root 4, okay? So you can do like this as, what you can do, you break this 81 into 9 9 square is how much? 9 square is 81. You can write like this, right? Now this 4, when it is over 4, root over 4, what you can do is, this you can write 9 square minus 2, and this root should multiply 1 by 4, okay? 1 by 4. So what you can do is 9 square, when you multiply this one, you'll get, you should get minus 2 into well, you should get minus 2 by 4, right? You should get minus 2 by 4. Then you'll get 9. Bring this 2 to the other side. Powers can be multiplied, okay? Minus 2 by 4 into 2. So you'll get how much? 2 minus 1. Are we getting minus 1? Okay, so we're getting how much? This will be 9. See, this 2 cancels. We get 9 to the power minus 1. Now this 9 to the power minus 1 can be written as how? 9 3 square, right? 3 square. 9 can be written as 3 square minus 1. So when you multiply again powers, you get minus 2 into 1. Minus 1 into 2, it's same, means you get minus 2. 3 to the power minus 2, okay? Answer will be option number B. Let's go next. 128. Again 4. Then we have cube root, quad root, cube root, and then 2 square. So what is 2 square? Let's solve one by one. What is 2 square? That is 4, right? Now you all know 4 root over 4 is how much? See, to do this one, you should again apply. This will be 1 by 4. This will be 1 by 3. So you can do 4 1 by 3 into how much? 1 by 4, okay? Like I said, this is 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. You get how much? 4 1 by 12, right? 4 1 by 12. Now 4 can be written as 2 square, 1 by 12, right? Now what, like I said, power can be multiplied into 2. You cancel this one, you'll get 2, 2, 6, 1 by 6. This will be the answer, okay? 1 by 6. So question number 128 is option number D. Let's go next. Pythagoras was a student of whom? Pythagoras was a student of Thales, okay? Thales. Which of the following needs a proof? So which of the following needs a proof? Definition, postulate, axiom, or theorem? Always remember, theorem needs a proof, such as Pythagoras theorem or basic proportionality theorem, okay? Next, the degree of a polynomial px. Okay, what is the degree? The highest power, okay? The highest power of the polynomial. So can you see it's 4, 3. Highest power we can see 5, but here it is multiplied by 0. 0 into any number is 0, so we cannot count this power, okay? So highest power will be 4. So option number A will be the correct answer. 131. Let's go 132 now. 132. So 132. The side lateral face of pyramid are. Always remember it is triangles, okay? Pyramids are triangle. Now 133. In a sample of 642 people, it was found that 514 people have a high school certificate. Out of 642, there are 514 who has certificate, high school. If a person selected at random, the probability that person has a high school certificate. So out of this 652, they'll select any randomly, okay? The probability of getting getting a high school certificate will be how many people? So let's see. This is a probability question, so you should remember total outcome. How much? Total outcome is 642, and favorable outcome is how much? Favorable is 514. Sorry, that's 514. Okay, 514. So remember, probability of any given events will be hard. Probability is favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Remember, okay, total outcomes. So P will be our favorable is how much? 514 divided by 642. 642, okay, 640. Do you cancel? You get the answer. Cancel this one. You should know how to cancel. Start with, if you want to start with 6, you can do 61, 607, 668. No, we cannot do it. Let's just do it 2 only. 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Right, 2, 2. Or you can do one thing. Just directly divide. It will be better. Okay. If you will waste your time, and if you go on cancelling like this, so what you do? 642 divide 514. See, nothing is there. I can do 60 because 642 is a bigger number. We cannot do 514. Take point. You will give 0. 642 into how much? Say into, I can see 9. If you take 8, 8 into 2 is 16. 184 is 32, 33, carry 3, 86 is 48, 49, 50, 51. So 513, we can take 8. 5136. So this is a probable that we are getting 0.8. Okay, answer as 0.8. Can you see here? Let's go next question. Next question is 134. 134. A television marked at 20,000 available for 19,000. Discount percent of television. So I've already taught in this thing a discount while doing profit and loss. I've told you the formula of discount. So what is that? First thing you should write, MP is given as, that is mark price as MP. Okay, it is given as P is 20,000. SP is how much? It is 19200. So discount percent will be how much? We need to find that. How much discount? So I have already told you the formula. Discount percent is MP minus SP over MP. Okay, always remember into 100. Just put the values. 20,000. You can do it directly also in your mind. Okay, should not waste your time or like this. 20,000 into 100. So I can see here this 20,000 you will be getting 800 here. This 0 gets cancelled. You get 200. So if you divide this one, you get how much? Discount percent as 4. Okay, 4% will be the answer. Just using the formula. Let's go next. David bought a product for 7,080. Okay, rupees 7,080, which included GST of 18%. The price of the product before GST, we need to find the original price. Okay, so what we can do? Always remember while doing GST questions, you should remember if suppose 100%. Okay, If the thing is 100%, how much we should increase? 18%, right? Plus 18%. So this will come to around how much? 118. Okay, total will be 118. So we need to find what in 70/80, how much? 70. So you should do always like the 70/80 by bring this one GST in the down, divide by multiply by 100. When you cancel, you get the answer. Always do like this. Okay, 2 into 50, 2 into 59. When you 59 into this one, you get 59 ones are 59, 59 ones are 59, 59 2 is 159 118. Okay, 59 2 is 1180. So when you multiply this one 120 into 50, you'll get rupees 6,000. Don't go in a long way. Okay, otherwise you can do 70/80 plus plus x plus 18% of x, then equal to, it will be very long method. Just use this method. Okay, let's go next. That is 130. Okay, answer will be 6,000. Option number C, 136. Now the compound interest on 12 terms of principal is given as 12600. Time given as 2 years, and rate of interest is 10. We need to find the compound interest. So remember the formula of compound interest. It is principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power time minus principal. Okay, this will be the formula of compound interest. Always remember, should use this. Okay, so let us solve now. Just put the value. CI will be equal to principal is 12600. 1 plus r is how much? 10 by 100 to the power time is 2 minus principal is 12600. So solve this one. 12600. 600 get cancels. 10 ones are 10 plus 1 is 11. So it should be 11 by 2. Because it is square, we should multiply it 2 times. Minus, I'll do it directly. Okay, because all the video has been 1 hour. So CI will be, now you can cancel, right? You can cancel this one. Sorry, this will not be 2. Okay, it will be 10. I've written 2 because we need to multiply it 2 times. So this will be 11 by, because this is 10, 10 ones are 10 plus 1, 11 by 10. Okay, 11, don't be confused. Okay, so let's cancel 0 0 0 0. You'll get 126 into 11 into 11 minus 12600, right? CI will be how much? So you just multiply this one, you'll get 126 into 11 into 11 is 121. So 126 into 121, you get 6 2 1 2 2 4 5. What 1 is 2 2 6 2 1. You're getting 6 4 6 5 11 12. Get 1 5 1. So you're getting 1 5 2 4 6 minus 12600. Okay, so subtract this one, you'll get the answer 12600. Get 6 4 6 2 2646 is there. 2646. So option number C will be the correct answer. Okay, 2646. So our compound interest will be how much? 2646 rupees. I hope this is clear. Let's go to next. 137. Okay, almost done. 137. Median. So always remember, what is median? Median is the middle term. Okay, you should know the 2 times. Even if you get, okay, let me do like this. Middle term. Just remember the middle term. First, what you need to do is, when you see this type of question in median, you should arrange in ascending order. So we can see ascending order. 4 4 5 ascending order, but 7 will not come before 6, so we should write 6. Okay, 6 7 7 3 7, then 12 and 13. First thing you should arrange, then count how many terms are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So number of terms are how many? 9 terms. Now see, this is 9 is even or odd. This is odd. So what you should do? Median is n plus 1 by 2 for all. Okay, if for odd is n plus 1 by 2. If even, then just n by 2. So median will be how much? N plus 1, 9 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to how much? 10 5. So our middle term is which one? 5. So you should count now. The one, once you have arranged, you should count. Start counting 1 2 3 4 5. How much you get the median? 5. So we should stop at 5. So our answer will be whatever number is there in the 5th position, there will be our answer. Okay, yeah, don't be confused with this one. Let's go to next. That is question number 138. 138. Okay. Okay, very tricky question again. In the cylinder, if radius is half, so to see cylinder radius is half. Remember, r is how much? Half means r by 2. Okay, that's given already. Remember, and height is doubled. Height is double 2h. Okay, remember. Then volume will be what? Volume of a cylinder is how much? Pi r square h. You should remember. Okay, pi r square h. So let us put in this one. V dash equal to pi r square h. R square is how much? Our r will be r by 2 into r by 2, right? 2 times into h is how much? 2h, right? So what you can do here is V dash will be, can you cancel this 2 and 2, right? So remaining will be pi into r will be r square into h and divide by 2. So can you see here? V dash will be how much? This pi r square h is the value of what? Actual V, right? Actual volume, so V by 2. That means what? The volume is what? Volume is half, right? V by 2 means half. So the answer will be option number D for 138. Okay, let's go next. 139. ABCD is a rhombus such that angle ACB. Okay, let me show you what is a rhombus. This is a rhombus, a kite. Okay, a kite is a rhombus and it has 2 diagonals. Okay, clear? To make an angle ACB, so let us term this one as ABCD. Okay, then angle ADB, so we need to find ADB. This angle we need to find. Okay, and remember this is already a 90 degree. We can see here these two are 90 degree, and angle ACB is given as, this angle is 40 degree. Okay, so very easy this one. You should remember about alternate interior angles. See this angle, if you find this angle, these two are alternate interior angles. It means angle CBO, term this one as OCBO, and angle ADB are alternate interior angles. So let us see first. Let us take in triangle. In triangle, because we know the value of this one BOC, that is 90 degree, and what OCB, that will be 40 degree. So we can do in triangle OCB, we can write angle OCB plus CBO plus BOC. Sum of all the angle of triangle is how much? It is 180 degrees. You should remember. So put the values. OCB, angle OCB is 40 degree for us, plus CBO is how much? We don't know. Angle CBO, that's what we need to find, plus angle BOC is how much? 90 degree. It's equal to 180 degree, right? Now add 40 plus 90 is how much? 130 degree, plus angle CBO equal to 180 degree. Now take angle CBO, bring this 130 to the other side, it will be minus 130 degree. What will be the angle? Angle CBO will be 50 degree. Clear? Angle CBO is 50 degree. See, you have got this angle. How much? This angle as 50 degree. Means what? If this angle is 50 degree, alternate angle will be also equal. That means this angle also has to be 50. So how will it show this one? You already know the answer. It will be option number C, that's 50 degree. Okay, but to show this one, angle CBO is equal to angle ADB, and they are, since they are alternate interior angles. Okay, so answer will be 50 degree. I hope it is clear. Let's go to next question. That's question number 140. Almost done. If 2y is equal to, 2y plus 8 by 3. Okay, 2y plus 8 by 3 equal to 1 by 4y plus 5. So we need to find the value of this y. Very easy. Just solve this one. You can do this one like 2y plus 8 by 3 equal, y one's a y, it will be y by 4 plus 5. Okay, so what you can do, bring this y to the other side, the variable 1 minus y by 4 equal to 5 minus 8 by 3. What I did, just interchange, okay, the variables and the constant terms. Now what you can do is 4 into 2 is how much? 8y minus y would be 7y by 4, right? This one, 3 into 5, 15 minus 8 is how much? 15 minus 8 is 7 by 3. Now see, numerator can be cancelled. Like I said, what is remaining? Y by 4 equal to 1 by 3. Yes or no? Just cross multiply, you'll get the answer. This will be 3y equal to 4. 3y equal to 4. So y will be how much? Y will be equal to 4 by 3. Clear? So answer will be 4 by 3. Let's go next. That is question number 141. A man sold an article 495, gained 10% profit. The cost price of the article. So I've already taught you how to find out cost price or SP. You know SP is equal to CP into, use this formula. I've told you in profit and loss, profit percent or loss percent. So here there's gain percent means profit percent. So SP is already given 495. CP we don't know, we need to find, into profit percent is 10. If profit percent is 10, you should write 110 by 100. Okay. Now cancel. This 0 gets cancelled. This 11 4 the 44, remaining will be 5. So 11 5 is a 45. So we got the answer 45 into 10 equal to CP. So CP will be how much? 45 into 10 is 450. Okay. Should remember this formula. 450 rupees. Let's go 142. What's 142? 42. The ages of David and John are in the ratio. So David and John are in the ratio 7:5. So you can give 7x or 5x. This is the present age. Okay, present age. 10 years hence. Now 10 years hence means 10 7x plus 10. Okay, let's do 5x plus 10. It means 10 years hence, after 10 years. After 10 years. Okay, this is the age after 10 years. Now 10 years, the ratio of the ages will be how much? This is after 10 years. The ratio will come at how much? 9 into 7. So let us do. Now make the equation. You know, ratio can be written like this also, 7x plus 10. After 10 years, okay, we're taking divide by 5x plus 10 equal to 9 by 7. So cross multiply. 7 into 7 will be 49x plus 70. 45x plus 90. Just doing the cross multiplication. Okay, bring 49x to the other side. 45x 90 plus 70 will be 7 minus 70 will be 4x equal to 20. X will be equal to how much? 4x equal to 20. Then x will be 4 1 4, 4 is a 20, right? So it will be x will be equal to 5. We got the x equal to 5, but what we need to find their present age. Our present age is how much? 7x and 5x. So just put the value of x. So for David, right? David will be 7x, which means 7 into 5, which is equal to 35. And for what? For John is 5x, right? 5x means 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. So this will be the answer, 35 and 25 years. 142 is 35 and 25 years. Okay, let's go next. That is question number 143. So this is our reasoning question, very easy. If A is called as 2 like this, okay, B is called as 3, C is called as 5, D is called as 8, and so on. E will be called what? And then finally F will be called as what? We need to find the value of F. So see, different. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, then this will be plus 4. E will come as how much? 12. F plus 5. So this will be 12 plus 5 will be how much? 17. So F will be equal to 17. Okay, let's go next. That is 144. I hope this is clear. Very easy. Okay, let's go 144. So 144 is inserting coding decoding. Okay, glare is written as, okay, let me take the pen. Glare is written as, saying GLARE is written as 513% hash. Live is written as live is written as 18 at the rate hash. So I can see here E is hash, right? E is hash, L is 1, A we don't know, so we can use this one only to find GIF. So our G will be how much? It is 5. I is how much? It is 8. Our V is how much? It is at the rate, and E is hash. So 58 at the rate hash, 58 at the rate hash. Answer will be, okay, so you got my point, I think. 58, and option number D will be the answer. That's a very easy coding decoding. Let's go to 145. A is written as B again. A is written as B, B is written as A, E is written as F, and F is written as E, and so on. How will the word break be written as? Very easy. Break. See, if B is A, so B is A, right? R will be what? R can be written as S, S can be written as R, right? So R can be written as S, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, just the opposite, right? R, S, S, R. Yes or no? Okay, if you are confused, let me write again. A, B, B, A, C, D, D, C, D, C, D, D, C, E, F, F, E, and then G, H, H, G, right? Then we have H, I, J, J, I. Then we have K, L, L, K, M, N, N, M, O, P, P, O, Q, R, R, Q. Okay, R, Q. Then S, T, T, S. So okay, so R will be what? Q. Don't be confused. Okay, so even now I got confused now. So Q, R, Q. I is how much? Our I is J. H, G is H. So A, Q, J, H. A, Q, J, H. A, Q, J, H. Don't be confused with this one. Okay, answer will be option number A. So it's better we write it down first. Let's go next. 146. If P, R, E, M, A is written as 9, 6, 7, 3, 1. How can drama be written as? Very easy. Just get down value from here. 6, 1, 3, 1. So 6, 1, 3, 1. Option number B will be the correct answer. Let's go 147. 147 in certain code language 278 means run very fast. This is Chinese coding. Okay, run very fast. So this is coded as 278. You should do like this. 853 means come back first. Come back fast. So written as 853. And then run and come. Run and come. See, this is how much? This 376. See how we'll take out the code now. See the similar one. 8 and 8 are similar, right? And which words are similar in this two things? I can see fast, fast. That means the code for fast is 8. Clear? And now again, I can see 7 and 7. From 1, this is 1, 7. And the last sentence also 1, 7. That means which are common? These two. Run. I can see run. It is 7. Okay, now 2. The remaining. Very will be 2. Very will be 2. Because no more common words. Here, 3 and 3 are common in the second sentence. Can you see 3 and 3? That means come and come. So come will be 3. And back will be what? 5. So what we need to find? Then back will be 5. Option number C will be the correct answer. So we'll do it. Okay, all this in reasoning thing also. 148. If the sequence A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, what comes next? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, P. Okay, let's go. 149. Last two questions. One, if plus stands for divide. Okay, plus. If you see a plus somewhere, you should change it to divide. Okay, plus will change to divide. Then minus will change to plus. Then into will change to plus. Divide will be changed to into. So let's see the equation. 4 plus will change to what? Divide. 4 into will change to plus. 2 divide will change to into. 2 minus will change to plus. But you should get 8. You should get the answer. 4 divided by 4 is 1 plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Then we're getting 13. Answer would be option number C, 13. Let's go last 150. Okay, in certain code prism P R I S M is written as O S H T L. Okay, then double R U B L E is written as Q V A M D. So how will you code W H O R L? Okay, so let's see. P is O. That means just going upward like this. O P R S. Okay, so you got the answer. I H T S. Okay, so you're getting M and O P. First comes O, then P. Yeah, but first come R, then S. So it is going like this. -1 +1. Okay, minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 of this one will be how much? UV, VW, right? VW plus 1 will be HI. Minus 1 MNOP and VIN, right? Then you have R plus 1 SL minus 1 K. VIN SK. So I can see option number C would be the correct answer. So the end. And I hope you like the video. It's a bit long, but you will get all the answer, the detailed solution I have provided. And for GK and English also will provide. Don't worry about that. Also prepare for all of the exams, upcoming MLP exams also. So all the best for that. Prepare well. Okay, all the best and thank you.